Whisk yourself away to story time with MS, Lily. Today we're joining Bailey the baker, whose cupcakes are legendary for their magical sprinkles that make everyone smile. But there's a problem. The magic sprinkles have mysteriously disappeared.
Bailey the baker wasn't your average baker. His bakery, Bailey's Bites, wasn't just filled with delicious treats. It was filled with magic, Bailey's secret ingredient, a sprinkle of shimmering dust called Smile Sparkles. Just a sprinkle on his cupcakes, cookies and pies, and everyone who tasted them couldn't help but grin from ear to ear. One sunny morning, Bailey excitedly prepared to bake his famous rainbow swirl cupcakes. He reached for his jar of Smile Sparkles, but his heart sank faster than a dough ball in a hot oven. The jar was empty, not a single sparkly speck remained. Panic swirled in Bailey's stomach like a whisk in batter. Without the magic sprinkles, his treats wouldn't be the same. Disappointed, he considered closing the bakery for the day. Suddenly, a tiny voice chirped beside him. It was Pip, a friendly sparrow who often visited Bailey's windowsill for crumbs. "Bailey, why the long face?" Pip chirped. Bailey explained his predicament, his voice heavy with worry. Pip, known for his adventurous spirit, tilted his head thoughtfully. "Missing magic sprinkles, you say? We can't have that. Follow me." Pip led Bailey on a whirlwind adventure through the bustling town. They hopped across flower beds, chased butterflies through the park, and even Pip flew, Bailey ran alongside a friendly delivery truck. Finally, they reached a hidden meadow bathed in sunlight. There, a group of playful fairies fluttered around a bubbling spring. "Excuse me, fairies," Pip chirped politely. "My friend Bailey here needs your help. His magical baking sprinkle dust has gone missing." The fairies, known for their love of all things sparkly, gasped in unison. They explained that the Smile Sparkles came from the laughter dust collected from children playing in the park. Unfortunately, a grumpy cloud had been hovering over the park, making everyone understanding dawned on Bailey. His magic sprinkles weren't just about the dust, but about the joy that went into creating them. Determined to bring back the laughter, Bailey set to work. He gathered colourful balloons, silly jokes, and a stack of his most delicious cookies. Soon, the park was filled with laughter. Children chased after balloons, shared jokes, and enjoyed Bailey's treats. As laughter filled the air, the grumpy cloud began to melt away. Tiny specks of shimmering dust rained down from the sky. The Smile Sparkles, back and more potent than ever. Bailey used the Smile Sparkles to bake a fresh batch of cupcakes, sharing them with everyone in the park. The laughter that followed was sweeter than any treat. Bailey learned that magic wasn't just about secret ingredients, but about the joy of friendship, laughter, and sharing. And from that day on, Bailey's bakery continued to create magical treats, filled with not just Smile Sparkles, but also with the love he poured into every delicious bite. We learned today that true magic comes from the joy we spread. So next time you bake something yummy, remember, the most important ingredient is a big smile and a generous heart. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious adventures with Bailey and his friends.